Hi, I'm Sir RJ, and today I want to show you some tips on how to draw basic shapes. So I guess you are already familiar with geometric shapes and you know how to draw them. But my question is, can you draw them efficiently and accurately? So let me show you how. To draw straight lines, sometimes what we do is we just draw it any way we want. However, the problem is sometimes it is slanting, sometimes it is wavy. So why not create a starting point and a destination point? So using this, you just connect two dots using one swift motion. Sometimes it will become wavy, sometimes it won't hit the mark, like this one. But this method requires practice. You have to do it over and over again so that your muscles will memorize the movement. So to create triangles or to create a square, just create 4 points and connect the 4 points. To create a triangle, create 3 points and connect them. To create arcs, we need to draw first a square. So what is the purpose of this square? This will be our guide for the arc. So we need a diagonal line and we will set where the arc will pass through. So from this point up to this point, it will pass through here. So we'll just try to draw and hit that mark. Again, let's say we want it to hit this point. Okay, again, I want it to hit this point. So to draw a circle, we will use the same concept. We will draw a square, and that square will be divided into 4 quadrants. And then we'll just try to put arcs to connect it. To make it more accurate, instead of using 4 quadrants, why not use diagonal lines and create 8 quadrants? And then mark the places where your arc will pass through. So it is easier. You may use this technique if you don't want to use a square. You just mark all the places where your circle would pass through. And we all know that not everybody is gifted in handwriting. So we can actually use these techniques to improve our handwriting. So for example, we will write ABC. So we know that letter A, what letter A looks like. So just create dots and try to connect them, and this to this, B. So in this case, there will be an arc. So for C, there will be arcs. See what I did there with the C? I placed 3 dots. So this one, let me just draw a square for them. So this one is where, this place is where I want my arc to pass through. So I just put my arc there. And then this one's also the same concept. I want my, sorry. And then this one, just connect it. So when you omit, how about you? Why don't you try using this technique and write your name? I hope you learned something from me today. Thank you. Goodbye.